Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Xbox on your laptop. So you connect the Xbox right here into the laptop and use it on your laptop screen. Okay, it's relatively easy. It works with sound if you connect some speakers to it. So basically what you'll need for this is obviously an Xbox, and then you'll need an Elgato capture device like this. Okay, I bought this on Amazon. It was around $200 or $150, I'm not sure, but basically you need this Elgato capture. I think it's a Game Capture Neo that I purchased, and then you just connect everything up. There are tutorials on YouTube that will show you how to connect everything, and then basically when all the hardware is connected, you get this app right here. I can show you the app called 4K Capture. It's an Elgato app, and when you click on that app, it will load up your Xbox if it is on, and then you can go ahead. You can see if I turn on the controller, you can see that I can navigate through the menus and stuff like that, and this is actually going through a laptop. Okay, and that's pretty cool. So then you can play your games on your laptop, and it has sound. So for an example, if I click on, well, there is just sound if you have connected your speakers. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.